In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify username. To change your username on Spotify, start by opening the Spotify app. Once you are on the homepage, ensure you are still on the app's homepage. Then tap on your username from the top left corner. Here, tap on the View Profile button. Next, tap on Edit Profile. Here you will notice that you can edit your display name but not your username. It is crucial to distinguish between the two. Changing the display name won't affect your username. Now go back to your profile settings area and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account. You will see the username option here, but there is no edit option available. Don't worry, I will guide you through this. Close your app and go to spotify.com in a web browser. Once on the website, tap on the hamburger icon, which will lead you to a page where you can access your account. From there, tap on Account, scroll down to the bottom of the Accounts page where you will find several options. Tap on Support to enter the support area of the Spotify app. Within the support area, you will see quick links. Tap on Account Help and you will be taken to another page with more options. Choose Profile Help or you will find the username and display name option. Unfortunately, Spotify informs us that here the username cannot be changed. But don't worry, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Spotify. You will be directed to a page where Spotify provides various ways to contact them. Scroll through and choose the most suitable option. For instance, I will choose the messaging option. Compose a message to Spotify explaining your issue, like the one I am typing here, then send your message, then a Spotify representative will promptly get in touch with you and the issue will be resolved. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.